Effective tips for engineering students. Take your studies seriously. Engineering is a challenging and demanding course. Make sure to take your studies seriously and stay on top of your coursework. Get organized. Keep track of assignments and due dates, and make sure to plan out your assignments and study time. Take advantage of resources. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Take advantage of office hours, study groups, and other resources available to you. Get involved. Join student organizations and participate in extracurricular activities. This will help you develop important skills and make connections with other engineering students and professionals. Develop good study habits. Make sure to create a study plan and stick to it. Also, make sure to take regular breaks and give yourself time to relax. Network. Get to know other engineering students and professionals in the field. Networking is a great way to learn new skills and build relationships. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions during class and office hours. Asking questions will help you understand concepts more clearly and deepen your understanding. Think outside the box. Engineering is all about problem solving and coming up with creative solutions. Make sure to practice thinking outside the box and coming up with new ways to solve problems. Take care of yourself. Make sure to get enough rest, exercise, and eat healthy. These are all important for maintaining your physical and mental health. Have fun. Don't forget to have fun and enjoy the process of learning. Engineering can be a lot of work, but it's also a great opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you. For more updates video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.